like that. I like songs about the South.
I do too.
I like songs that tell stories and different things like that. And I had a neighbor out the road. He was sort of a retired kind of fella. And I got to watch him one day, and he was coming down the sidewalk on a bicycle. And the cops came along and told him he couldn't ride his bicycle anymore down the sidewalk. And then the next time I saw him, he'd come down through there on a John Deere lawnmower down the sidewalk. And I think they told him he couldn't ride his John Deere lawnmower down the sidewalk, but he was going out the road to the interstate, and he would go out there and stand at the intersection of 75 and 92, and he would work all day long holding his sign, and then he would go home to his house right out the road. And so I got to watch him one day, and I said, you know what? Wow. And so I kind of took a little liberty. Well, I know a man who stood by the road holding a little sign. One day the cops came and took him away. Now he is doing time. They gave him some clothes and 3 meals a day. It looked like that things would go his way. Then he made gravel from the big old rocks down on the state highway. Well, there goes his gravy train. There goes his gravy train. Just when he thought that he really had it made, there goes his gravy train. His girlfriend was coming on a very special day. It looked like that love would fill the air. But when he got to the room, just a goodbye note, she ran off with a millionaire. Well, there goes his gravy train. There goes his gravy train. Just when he thought that he really had it made, there goes his gravy train. He got a letter that his rich uncle died. Didn't read the will the day that he got out, but he gave it to his cats and some fellow Democrats, and left the poor little man out. Well, there goes his gravy train. Help me sing it. There goes his gravy train. Just when he thought that he really had it made, there goes his gravy train. Tom didn't know what he